Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto. Today on Ron's Keto, we're making a breakfast quindella, and wanted to figure out what I could use these mission wraps for. So I found some recipes online that were pretty simple and easy to make. So we took a mission wrap, and it would be it could be considered a keto meal, I guess. It all depends on how many macros you have at the end of the day to be able to use one of these. So what I did was I got my pan going with a little bit of butter, and then once it got going, I turned it down to medium high, and then I just dumped 2 eggs, and after I whisked them into the measuring cup, and once I let this go for a few minutes, I added some cheese up over the top and kind of like squished it down a little bit there so the mission wrap would stick to the egg, and then I folded it over and kind of like just let it sit in the pan for a while till it firmed up. You'll see in the video. And then I cooked up 3 sausages in the air fryer, not the microwave. And yeah, it was pretty. In the way you see me in the video doing the cheese, and then I was just kind of like pushing it down a little bit with the spatula, and then I flipped it around and a nice golden color and a little more cheese over the top of the egg, and then let that sit in for a little bit, and then I flipped it over like that, and I was just trying to get a nice good brown color on it. Then after the magic of editing and television, there was the egg and quindella, and that's what I ended up having for the breakfast that morning. And then I added 3 more sausages right there, and there you go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys.